In this edition of Masttro in a Minute, you'll see how to move beyond static spreadsheets to a dynamic, real-time view of your performance. By leveraging over 650 direct custodial connections and AI automations, Masstro's Consolidated Portfolio Analysis tool presents complex holdings into a single dashboard, giving you a clear view of your total wealth without manual effort. Let's switch holdings and get a view of private equity funds. You can see fund level detail, including commitments, capital calls, and gains and losses. And you can look forward with cash flow projections and projected cash balances. The performance view allows you to analyze portfolio results and to identify top performers. If you need a PDF report to share to a client, you can do that easily via our secure communications portal. Browse report types to generate client-ready outputs. With Masstro, you get dynamic financial analysis and on-demand reporting that delivers quick answers. If you're ready to move your portfolio analysis beyond spreadsheets, let's chat.